In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a rental listing on Zillow 2026 guide. Zillow Rental Manager is the go-to platform for small portfolio landlords who want vacancies filled quickly. When you post here, your listing is automatically syndicated to Zillow, Trulia, and HotPads, giving you broad reach from a single dashboard designed to carry you from listing to lease and first month's rent. Start by signing in at Zillow.com. If you're new, create a free account and select the landlord or property manager profile so the right tools appear in your dashboard. From your profile or the Rent tab, head to Rental Manager. This is your command center for creating listings and tracking activity. Click Add a property and enter the full street address. Then add the essentials: bedrooms, bathrooms, and square footage. For pricing, open price. My Rental to see real-time comps for similar homes nearby. This data helps you set a competitive rent that maximizes exposure without leaving money on the table. If you're unsure, consider starting at the midpoint of the suggested range and adjust later based on inquiry volume. Great visual sell. Upload 10 to 15 clear, well-lit, high-resolution photos, LED with the living room, kitchen, primary bedroom, bathrooms, and a clean exterior shot. In 2026, listings with a Zillow 3D home tour get about twice the views, so use the Zillow app to record a smooth, panoramic walkthrough that helps renters understand the flow and scale. In your description, write a concise, compelling summary that spotlights upgrades and conveniences like in-unit laundry, a private balcony, new flooring, or a renovated kitchen. Be specific, accurate, and easy to read. Next, set your policies and availability. Enter the monthly rent, security deposit, and preferred lease length, such as 12 months. Clearly outline your pet policy, any related fees, and your smoking rules. Finally, set the exact move-in date so applicants know when the home will be ready. Publish your listing to push it live across the Zillow network. The standard version is free and delivers strong exposure. If your market is competitive or you want extra visibility, consider the optional Zillow Premium upgrade for a flat fee, which prioritizes your listing in search results and unlocks performance insights versus nearby rentals. After publishing, manage the full lifecycle. Use screening to collect a $5 renter-paid portable application that includes credit, background, and eviction history. Build a compliant lease with Zillow's state-specific lease builder and sign digitally. Then enable online rent collection. ACH transfers are free for landlords, and automated reminders help keep payments on time. And that's it. Posting your rental is the first step in a smoother, faster leasing process. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.